Put civilized people on an island and watch how quickly psychology replaces morality. In Lord of the Flies, a group of schoolboys are stranded in a deserted island. No adults, no rules, no society. At first, they try to stay civilized. They create systems, elect a leader, set rules. But slowly, fear creeps in. The fear of the unknown, the fear of the dark, the fear of something hunting them. And that's when everything changes. Order collapses, reason fails, a new kind of leader rises, not the wisest, but the strongest. This is survival psychology. When humans face crisis, the brain shifts into threat mode. Rational thinking takes a backseat, emotions take control, and fear creates a desperate need for certainty and control. And strong leaders, especially who appear dominant, decisive, and confident, offer exactly that. Even if they're wrong, even if they're dangerous. Because in chaos, human minds ask one question: who can make me feel safe right now? This is why people start following authority figures more blindly during crisis. It's not always about logic, it's about reducing fear. And you see this pattern everywhere. In war zones where the soldiers rely on commanding officers without hesitation. In disaster where the crowd follows the loudest voice, not the wisest. Even in workplaces, when uncertainty rises, people gravitate towards leaders who sound sure, not necessarily those who are right. And history has shown us this again and again. Crisis doesn't just reveal leaders, it creates them. And sometimes it creates the wrong ones. Because here is the uncomfortable truth. Under pressure, humans don't always choose what is right. They choose what feels safe. And that's how morality bends. That's how fear takes control. And that's how power finds its way into the hands of those who promise certainty. So the real question is, when the world turns chaotic, will you follow strength or will you have the courage to think? And if you enjoy exploring the psychology behind the human behavior, subscribe for more videos like this.